Today we're on the lesson 4 problem set and homework pages. So I'll go over the problem set first. We want to start by completing the bar graph using the table with the types of bugs Alicia counted in the park, then answer the following questions. The first thing we need to do is our title, which comes right from the table. Types of bugs. Then we need to move our butterflies, spiders, bees, and grasshoppers. We need to label a spot for them on the graph. Please write out the whole word, because if we just wrote B for butterflies and B for bees, we wouldn't know which was which. So butterfly, spiders, bees, and grasshoppers. Then we go to the questions, how many butterflies were counted in the park? You can get your answer from the graph or the table. How many butterflies were counted in the park? It will be 5. I would like you to color in your graph as best you can. Hopefully it'll look better than mine. But try to color them in for all of them and keep each one to one row. In C, it says which bug was counted twice as many times as grasshoppers. Twice as many means that we're multiplying it by 2. Okay, and that's what we learned in the last module. Page 2 of the problem set, complete the bar graph with labels and numbers using the number of farm animals on O'Brien's farm. First thing we always do is move our title down to here, and then label the bars, color in your graph, and then answer the questions. And D, you'll be writing your own comparison question again, which we've done the last couple days. The homework pages, same thing. You bring the title down from the table to the chart. This bar graph is going side to side in rows. You answer the questions. The second page of the homework, it is going vertical in columns. Make sure you label everything and answer the questions. I would like you to submit this page, the last page of the homework. It's underwater animals. Please upload only this page. Thanks.